everyone, it's Joanna here. Oh my god, the weather is getting colder and colder day by day. And coming from an extremely hot country, I do not like the cold at all. But you know what? This is the perfect time to have soup as part of your meals. I am sure you have heard the saying, drink soup and stay slim. This is very true, especially if your soup is packed full of healthy ingredients, because soup can be very low in calories, but they do keep you satisfied for a very long time. So what I'm going to share with you are 3 of my favorite soup recipes which I tend to have when the weather starts to get bitterly cold. So let's start with my favorite. Being Asian, I love to have Chinese soup noodles for my meals. They are always served in a large bowl, they keep you satisfied for so long, and the amount you're eating, you would not believe that it's so low in calories. So what we're going to make here is a bowl of chicken soba soup noodles to keep you warm. The ingredients you'll need are 1 bundle of soba or buckwheat noodles, which is about 80 grams, 4 ounces of chicken, boiled, cooked and hand shredded into pieces, 50 grams of green leafy vegetables, kale, bok choy or even cabbage, 1.5 of chicken stock, 3 cups of water, 1 clove of garlic crushed, half of a small onion, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of goji berries, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 red chili, finely sliced. The first step is to bring 2 pots of water to boil. Once the water starts to boil, in 1 pot, add your chicken and allow it to cook. In the other pot, add your soba noodles. Allow the soba noodles to cook for 5 to 10 minutes until it's cooked through but still firm. Once your soba noodle is cooked, we want to drain the water off. Place the soba noodles into 2 bowls. Toss each bowl of soba noodles with 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil and set it aside. Once your chicken is cooked, remove it from the boiling water, set it aside and allow it to cool down. Coat your large pot with 1 teaspoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Add your crushed garlic and onion, cook for 2 to 3 minutes until your onion is slightly brown. Add 3 cups of water and your chicken stock and bring it to boil under medium heat. Once the soup starts to boil, add your green leafy vegetables and goji berries and allow them to boil for another 5 minutes until your vegetables is slightly soft. Once your chicken has cooled down, tear your chicken into small shredded pieces. Divide the soup evenly into 2 bowls. Top it up with shredded chickens and a little bit of fresh chopped chilies if you like a little bit of extra kick. This 1 serving of chicken soba soup noodles only has 287.5 calories. All these ingredients used here can be bought in an Oriental supermarket. Soba noodle is a Japanese noodle and it's a much healthier option compared to egg noodles or rice noodles. It helps to promote healthy bowel movements and it also helps to reduce fat accumulation, which helps towards weight loss. So if you can, use soba noodles. As for goji berries, it has recently become more and more popular. But in fact, it's very commonly used in Chinese cooking. Goji berries are very high in antioxidant and it helps to promote anti-aging. Maybe that's why people in Asia always look much younger. It also helps to reduce your appetite and to control your blood sugar level, which helps towards weight loss. So if you can, add a little bit of goji berries into your cooking for the health benefits. As for chili, I love to have spice in my food. Spicy food helps to boost up your metabolic rate, which in return helps you to burn more fat. So if you like spicy food, if you can handle it, add a little bit of chili onto your noodles. If you can't, you can always opt out of it. Do try this bowl of chicken soba soup noodles either for your lunch or for your dinner. Are you having enough green vegetables in a day? Or do you just not like the green vegetables? If so, this creamy green monster soup is for you. It's so creamy, but guess what? There is absolutely no cream at all. Instead, it's packed full of green vegetables. It's so good for your body, and even if you don't like green vegetables, you will like this soup. You have to try this. The ingredients you'll need are 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 clove of garlic crushed, 1 large or 2 medium leeks washed well and chopped, 2 medium zucchinis, which is also known as Japanese cucumbers in Asia, chopped into cubes, 2 cups of water, 1 chicken stock, 100 grams of spinach, I've used frozen spinach, thawed, and salt and pepper to taste. In a pot, coat and heat 1 teaspoon of olive oil under medium-high heat. Add the crushed garlic, leeks and zucchini and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the leeks have softened. Season it with a little bit of pepper and salt. Add 1 cup of water and half a chicken stock and allow your zucchini to cook until it's very tender for 10 minutes. Don't forget to stir every once in a while. Once your zucchini is very tender, remove the pot from the heat. You can choose to transfer your zucchini into a blender and blend it up, or what I'm using is a hand blender. Once your zucchini is thick and creamy, add the remaining 1 cup of water and half of a chicken stock and bring it back to boil under medium heat and add your thawed spinach. Stir your thick creamy soup and allow the ingredients to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Scoop it up and serve. The recipe was for 4 servings. Each serving only has 60 calories and you are getting the natural creaminess from the zucchinis. Zucchini is very low in calories, it's high in fiber and it has very high water content. So it's good for those of you who want to lose weight as it will keep your body hydrated and keep you satisfied for a long time. If you want to avoid overeating, have a bowl of this creamy green soup prior to your meal to keep you full and help you to eat less. Or you can have it with a slice of toast as part of your meal or a snack. And finally, we want to have chunky ingredients in our soup packed full of fiber. So what we want to make is chunky vegetable barley soup. This large bowl of soup has less calories than your Mars chocolate bar and it will definitely give you more energy and keep you satisfied for much longer. The ingredients you'll need are 4 cups of water, 2 vegetable stalks, 1 onion chopped, 1 large carrot chopped into small cubes, 200 grams of sweet potatoes chopped into small cubes, 150 grams of broccoli, 1/3 cup of uncooked pearl barley, which is about 75 grams, 1 can of chopped tomatoes undrained, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your onions and lightly stir fry your onions until slightly brown. Then add your sweet potato and carrots with 3 cups of water and vegetable stock. Allow your potatoes and carrots to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, reduce the heat slightly and add in your pearl barley. Allow all the ingredients to cook for another 30 to 40 minutes or until barley is tender. And finally, add in the 1 can of chopped tomatoes, broccoli and paprika. Stir the ingredients and allow it to simmer for another 10 minutes and serve. So here's your bowl of chunky vegetable barley soup. Each serving only has 200 calories. 1 Mars chocolate bar has over 200 calories. So choose what is good for your body and treat it right. Barley is a very good food which should be used more in our meals. It's high in fiber and it takes much longer to digest in our body, therefore it will keep us satisfied for much longer as well. Whenever you feel like snacking on a chocolate bar, put it aside and have this bowl of chunky vegetable barley soup instead. All these recipes are packed full of nutrients which are good for your body. They are low in calories and they will keep you satisfied for a long time. It's all about making choices. These recipes are much larger in quantity and lower in calories in comparison to the junks. So treat your body right, respect your body, and make the right choices for your health, for your weight. There is absolutely no reason not to eat clean over the winter months. So try this recipe out, let me know which is your favorite in the comments below, and enjoy the cold weather. For new fitness, food and motivational videos, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and website. Do follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to stay connected with me. Thanks guys!